joined MET Mass Media, I was a bit clueless. I knew like I wanted to get into media, but media is vast. I didn't know what to get in media. So this is my MET Mass Media is my exposure and my introduction to mass media, because I'm from BCom. I'm a BCom graduate, so I didn't know much about media. I just wanted to get in somehow, and MET Mass Media opened so many doors for me. Like during our internship, which was given by MET, I found out my love for brands. Like how I'm like, my internship was basically me falling in love with brands, and that helped me to choose my career. And right now I'm placed in Lodestar UM, which is a media agency, and I'm placed as a media planning and buyer.